Hey everyone, long time no see. So come spend a day with me in my college today. So Papa decided to drop me because I was getting very late and I had a presentation early in the morning. So I reached there by 8 thanks to him. So actually I have the presentation at 10:30, but me and my friend we decided to come early so that we can practice. I got a text from her that she's on her way, so it will take her up a couple of minutes. So I decided to head to the washroom and fix myself. And God, what did I see? Dude, we have our Netflix casting in our college for not 1 but 2 days. That's amazing. So the casting auditions are tomorrow and day after tomorrow, in case you're wondering. So in the meantime, let me fix my hair and use the restroom while I wait for my friend. So this was the fit for the day, quite simple and basic. Hi, very good morning everyone. So usually when we talk about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, we tend to label with this relentless war against the caste system and as a father of the Indian constitution. I talk about some other issue of like this. So just presentation, I will really focusing on two things. First is what were the problems, what were the problems and circumstances Ambedkar was seeing around himself, which So I was a little bored now. मैंने 3-4 बार practice कर ली थी and I came outside to see this. Like they have this screening and all going on, dude. And she is here. After a long wait, I finally get to see her. I think we are meeting after such a long time today. वो भी presentation की वजह से. So yes, of course, we headed to the classroom and it was her turn to practice.
He once said, I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved.
मैंने बस ये बताया कि आज जो हम हिंदू को देख रहे हैं वो एक पॉलिटिकल यानी कि ये मॉडर्न थॉट नहीं है ये जैसे कि सावरकर भी कहते हैं कि मॉडर्न थॉट नहीं है लेकिन सावरकर पॉजिटिव सेंस में कहते हैं नेगेटिव में कहते
और कितने आए तेरे?
मेरे नंबर आए हैं 10 नंबर। मेरे खानदान के मिला के नहीं आए।
तूने मच्छर मारे हैं ये शीट में।
10 नंबर के साथ एक चॉकलेट भी मिली। मैं बस लाइक कि बहुत अच्छा ही आंसर लिख दिया है। मैं
चोर गगन चॉकलेट दिलाने लाया है दोनों को।
मैंने ना मेरे को खुद मिली है दूसरों से चीज़ है। अरे अभी पता लगा मेरी मैं जैसी क्लास में पहुंचा मैं लेट पहुंचा मैं मेरी क्विज खेला था मेरे चॉकलेट।
So then it was finally the time for our group presentation. So I was the second member to present. So I couldn't get anyone to record me. But yes, it went very well. And I looked at Ravi. She was a little nervous because she was second last. So she had to wait for such long time. Our presentation was like around 20 minutes long. So yes, it took time. Also, the class was over. तो बच्चे चले गए थे. So it was just us, only our group. And while I was recording them and myself. So by now I was done with the presentation about 20 minutes ago और अब मुझे थोड़ी भूख लगने लग गई थी because सुबह से मैंने एंजाइटी की वजह से कुछ खाया नहीं था. तो I started like having my chocolate and then came Ravi's turn and she did very well actually. And yes, we were done for the day. And ma'am also gave us very good reviews. So I have also recorded the reviews a little for like this day to see.
Justice, and even today it's very relevant.
Very structured, very well structured. So keep it up for that. कि आपका structure और research मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी लगी. Individually आपके presentation skills मुझे सबके अच्छे लगे. कोई मेरे को कमी नहीं लगी. सबने बहुत confidently बोला and this is what matters. जब आप presentation दे रहे हो आप
ये रुक नहीं जाना चाहिए कि एजुकेशन के बावजूद भी हमें
everything was great. Keep it up.
आ जाओ. So we are done with the presentation. And how do you feel now? Look at her smile.
हल्का हो गया.
भाई सुबह से डर लग रहा था बट प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत अच्छी गई, बहुत अच्छी गई।
काफ़ी अच्छा।
चलो लेट्स ईट समथिंग नाउ। सब खुश हो गए।
ये बहुत अच्छा थ्योरम बोल रहे हो ना, तो तुम मुझे समझा दो।
बस फिर थोड़ी बहुत बातें करने के बाद, थोड़े स्नैक्स खाने के बाद फिर हम कॉलेज से निकल गए थे एंड ऋषि इज़ देयर बुकिंग हर राइड। Also, I look like a raccoon here because unknowingly I just smudged my eyes and it just spread all the coal I was wearing. But anyways, I think I can let that one slip today because I had a good day. So, ant bhala to sab bhala. So let's go home. I'll take a nap because honestly I'm very tired. I haven't eaten anything. So yes. फिर हमने गेट पे थोड़ा सा कलेश देखा, फिर एक दूसरे को सी ऑफ करा एंड आई हेडेड बैक होम।